Good morning, everyone. It is Monday in June. Next weekend, we get to get out of town for a little bit of time. Dow futures are up today, 283 points. The close was 32,899 last week. We're going to add about 300 points to this. So 32.8, 32.9, 33, 33.1, 33.2. Now what we're watching for is we're watching to see if we break above 33,383. That's been the trend in this upturn, this bear market upturn that we've had. If we break above 33,383 today and close above 33,383, that would be good. So the question becomes today, what happens? Where do we end up? We're going to open up hard, but this open up hard is just the Federal Reserve in supporting the market. We've seen this over and over and over again during the Obama administration as the way to be able to prop up the market. The Dow comes in at about 3 o'clock in the morning and buys E-mini futures. And then by about 10:30, the market is on its own because E-mini futures expired then, or the government sold out of their position for whatever profit, if they have a profit. If they have a loss, they have a loss. They don't care. They have all the money in the world. And they can print all the money in the world. So we'll have to see what happens with our markets today to find out if there's enough market news to drive us anywhere. What we're talking about today in reality is, was China's economy so strong back before COVID that we could justify a Dow 36,900? That's in essence what we're talking about. We know the U.S. economy is super strong. We see that. The Federal Reserve is out there trying to crush us like a bug, saying we've got to get you to go and realize that dirt roads are the way of the future. So, okay, if the U.S. economy is soaring, and that's why the government is crushing us like a bug, then that would mean that the Chinese economy is also part of this whole equation, because the U.S. economy soaring is only worth 32,899. That's what the market's told us. So then the other part of that difference between 32,899 and 36,000, where we were pre-COVID, is China. Okay, so Chinese stocks are soaring today. China's reopening today. They're letting their people walk around and talk about 25% of their reopening. Okay, that means that they're going to demand more oil. That's good for oil stocks because there's no supply out there, especially in the United States. So at the end of the day, oil is still a factor. We're going to see oil is going to be, and they never talk about, oil is soaring. Oil companies have been doing very well. As you know, I've done videos about my profits in oil. So look for this just general trend to continue. We'll have to see whether there's any news out there today, any data sets out there from today by the time we get to the close, to be able to say, okay, are we going to break above 33,383 and run higher? Mathematically, there still isn't anything that says that. We'll have to see what today's data is. I was spot on with the concept 33,083, and now we're going to be above that again, but then we'll see if we can't get above 33,383. So all eyes to those kinds of numbers for today. Hope that helps you with what to look for today. The only trade I still have in place is my Oxy trade, which is an option now, a covered call option on the 100 shares that I own, which expires on Friday. And we'll see what the price of oil is on Friday. But the price of oil on Friday is going to be soaring, I can tell you that. And I'm probably going to get sold out of my Oxy at 71. Not a bad thing. Having a 15% gain and accepting a 15% gain would not be a bad thing for Friday. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Any questions about investing, life insurance, life planning, or real estate here in the city of Windsor. Give me a jingle, 519-995-6145. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Enjoy this beautiful Monday. I got to get over to the doctor, get some blood work done today.